let me tell you this, bro. Me is not a fish. Me a good youth dog. A message to Shibada. A message to Shibada. Shibada, the Jamaica community highly respect you. You are a big actor. You can act in a movie. The Jamaica community respect you, Shibada. So I will never disrespect you, Shibada. So when they on live and I talk about this and that there, I will never disrespect you because I have highly respect for you. You are a veteran. You are a veteran of Jamaica. So the whole Jamaica community love you, Shibada. Yeah, the whole Jamaica community love you, Shibada. You are loved by the whole Jamaica community. So I will never disrespect your community, Shibada, because I highly respect Shibada and community. Is it? But me tell you no, me is not a fish. I am not a fish, but I respect the fish them because you know why? The fish them did not do not trouble people.